Hi there and welcome to this tutorial. In this lecture we'll talk about how to install plugins in WordPress. One of WordPress main feature is you can extend it with a lot of available plugins. Many of them are free and some others are premium and you have to pay them. We will see which are the best plugins you should use on your blog, but first of all let's see how to install a plugin. In your WordPress dashboard you will go to plugins and here you have add new. Now you have at this point two options. You can install a plugin that already exists in WordPress plugin directory, or you can upload your own plugin if you bought it or if you download it from somewhere and you want to upload it on your. The second option, upload plugin, here basically you clicked on upload a plugin and now you just choose the file and you go further. The process will be the same as we will see when we install a plugin from a WordPress directory. When installing from a WordPress directory we go once again add new, and here you have a list of plugins. Basically we will search for the plugin we need. For example, if we need a plugin to connect our blog, let's say to Aweber, we search for Aweber. Okay, search, and here we have a lot of plugins that connect your blog to Aweber. Or if you want to add the Google Analytics code to our blog, we can just search for Google Analytics, search, and we will have a lot of plugins about how to use Google Analytics and that can easily help us install Google Analytics code on our blog. In this example you see a lot of Google Analytics plugins. There is Google Analytics, Google Analytics Dashboard, Better Google Analytics, Google Analyticator, NK Google Analytics, and so on. You will have to choose. Now what should you take into consideration when choosing a plugin and not another? The number of active installs. You see here there are 500,000 active installs. The same here, 500,000. Better Google Analytics has a lot less. Google Analyticator, which is famous, has 400,000. The number of reviews and the quality of those reviews. For example, here there are 32 reviews and the total rating is over 4. Here there are 160 reviews and the total is over 4, which is very good for so many reviews. You will also take into consideration, I suggest you to look at when was that plugin last updated. This plugin was updated, Google Analytics was last updated, you see here, 8 months ago. Google Analytics Dashboard 4 weeks ago. Google Analyticator 1 month ago. Now the idea is you don't necessarily need to choose a plugin that was updated yesterday and is updated each day, but if you see a plugin that was not updated in the last 3 years, and I would try to find something that was updated in the last months at least, because this way it's a little more secure for your blog. Now let's see how to install a plugin. Let's choose the Google Analyticator. Here it is, you see it. That's already installed. Oh, okay, I installed it. Let's choose another, Google Analytics, the first. I click on the name. Okay, and I will see more details about the quality of the ratings and so on. You can see details about installation here, maybe some screenshots and some reviews if you want to read them. Some are good, some are bad. If you want to install it, you click on install now. And that's all. At this point, activate the plugin and you will have to go in the plugin settings. Usually you find them here, settings, I think it's this, but I'm not sure, Google Analytics. Yes, this is it, and in this case I have to insert the Google Analytics tracking ID, and this is all. I just installed the plugin. Now just take care when you install something, what you see here, so plugins, add new plugin, it's in WordPress directory, and more or less they are secure. When you download plugins from different websites, from torrents maybe, or somebody gave you, there is the possibilities that those plugins to have spyware, or to have viruses on, or to have different problems. I suggest you, if you cannot afford to pay for premium plugins, just take a free plugin from WordPress directory, or if you need a premium plugin, when you can afford it, just pay for it and download it from the official website of its developers.